I'm Chris Dakin. I'm the driver trainer at Longcliffe. My career at Longcliffe started back in 2010, which is now 15 years in this role. I have been driving in that time for a good 12 years. A lot of my training involves fuel efficient driving with every individual person on the fleet, overseeing assessments on a regular daily basis. We currently have an MPG score table which we're very passionate about, and everybody does their best to try and get the best out of the miles to the gallon. We need this fuel efficient driving, which is part of my job, to go out with them and show them the aids software we have within the lorries. This year we have set on 9 new drivers. Some have come as experienced tanker drivers, 8-wheeler tipper drivers, and some have come with no experience. Working at Longcliffe on a day-to-day basis is stimulating. It's regular hours, good crew round, my department especially, and in other departments. So for the last 15 years, Longcliffe has been a marvellous asset to myself and my family. What makes Longcliffe different to other companies is its product and the purity of the stone, the whiteness, the product it goes into. Back of that, what I've just said, obviously the wider community respects the business, which makes me feel proud to be working at Longcliffe.